snowflakes that I'm making are based on a circle. So if you're going to do as I'm doing and use a piece of foil from your coffee can, first thing you want to do is take off this little hard square of foil that's right up there. Then you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut that little round tab off. And if there's a little piece of glue there that hasn't dried out or is going to make cutting difficult, just pull that off too. So snowflakes are all about folding. First thing that you want to do is you want to fold your circle in half. And you want to crease that seam nice and tight. Then you're going to fold it in half again, so you're going to quarter it. Again, nice and tight. So that crease is really solid. Then comes the tricky part. You're going to fold this in thirds. So my suggestion is make sure that those two sides are nice and tight. Fold over, find just about a third. And before you crease it, turn the other side over and see if you got it about right. Well, that looks about right to me. So now I'm going to crease that. And again, put it down on a hard surface and really crease that. So you have a nice tight fold. We've folded our paper, and so now we're ready to cut. See, I have two, so I'm going to show you what this design looks like and how to cut two different snowflakes. You'll see on this one, I drew a design, and that's just a guide. So I wanted to show you an idea for how you can make your snowflake. And if you're more comfortable drawing, then you can go ahead and draw your design and draw where your cuts are going to be. Take your scissors and make your first cut. And gonna unfold it and see our beautiful snowflake. So let's look at that again. This time I'll do it with the tin foil. Remember, this is the top to a can of coffee. Again, I've just drawn some gentle lines on here so that I have an idea of where I'm distributing my cuts. If you don't have brown paper or you don't have foil, but you still want to make a fun holiday snowflake, this is the wrapping paper I showed you. And that's a fun alternative. Here are the 3 different snowflakes that I made. one out of recycled coffee can lid foil, one out of brown paper, and one out of just some leftover wrapping paper. The leftover wrapping paper one you can either display the colorful side, or if you like the white side better, you can just use the white side. I hope you enjoyed this. Please have fun, be well, and check out the other MWR videos and see how you can have more holiday fun with us. See you soon, I hope.